Hello everyone, I'm Shanshu Lee, and this is Fridge First demo video. It's a web app that I built to help students like me to stop wasting food. So the basic idea is pretty simple. You put what's in your fridge into the app, and it sorts everything by what's about to expire. So you actually use it before it goes bad. It also gives you recipe ideas based on what's expiring soon, which is honestly the part I use the most. And let me walk you through how it works. So the left is the list. When you open the app, this is what you see. Everything is sorted by expiry. So the stuff that's gonna go bad first is right at the top. You can see these colors. Red means it's already expired. Orange means it's expiring today, and amber means it's you still have got a day or two, and green means you are good for a while. And up at the top, there's this urgency banner. Say it's like 3 items expiring today. So even if you just glance at the app for 2 seconds, you know if you need to deal with something. And these field buttons here, I can switch just between the fridge items and the freezer items. Pretty straightforward. And let's try to add something actually. Yeah, let's type maybe chicken. Yeah, so we can see we have the storage pop-up that is low chicken. And we can also choose the location on the fridge or freezer. And we can have the quantity, like maybe 1 bag. And also we have this, make these quick buttons like 2 days, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, which will make you convenient to input the expired data. And we can just click the add fridge and see if, yeah, so it's in here, it succeed. And we can also see it's already be sorted in the expiry data. And now, okay, now let's say I just cook that chicken. Let's use all, so it just disappeared to the history. And if we can also use some of the rice, not all of it. Let's say we just use 1 cup. Yeah, then it's updated. And we can also toss out the spinach because it seems bad, then just gone. And yeah, you can see it's very convenient, and we can also edit it. And yeah, so this is basically the left part. And let's look at the right part, the cook ideas and the recipe. That's my favorite thing. So I will type cook ideas at the bottom here. And what it does it looks at everything in my fridge that's about to expire and matches it against a recipe database. There's like a 30 plus recipe in there, and see how each recipe card shows use 3 or 4 items. It's ranked by how many of your expiring ingredients in the match, so the most useful recipe flow to the top. And I can also filter by the cuisine like Asian, Italian, Mexican, and so on. Then it's very convenient for you to choose the kind of food you want. And let's say if I actually make one of these, then I just click cook this, then boom, all of the 3 items are just gone. And that's cool. And also I can click this thing, the button, so it will show the detailed process of cooking the food. And that's very convenient for users. And the last thing is the history tab. This shows everything I have archived, whether I use autos. So if I just accidentally did something, I can click the recover and tell me yes or no. Yes, then we can back to the app. You can see the spinach is back. So no data lost, that's good. And one thing it's was mentioning is all this data persists. So if I close the tab and come back later, everything's still there. And yeah, that's the fridge first. is built as a single React artifact, and everything runs here in the browser. And the core idea is just make your fridge visible, sorted by urgency, and give you the recipe ideas so nothing goes to waste. And that's all. Thank you for watching.